Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to refund items in Roblox and get your Robux back. Alright, so first up, I would like for you to know that official policy states that a direct self-service refunds for standard avatar shop or inexperienced items are generally not offered once a purchase is final. However, some users often submit support tickets for accidental or unauthorized account purchases by using specific categories in the support section. So how do we do that? Go ahead and open up roblox.com on a website. And now click on settings right here. Now click on help and safety. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and click on violations and appeals. All right. So why this one? So that support will get back to you as soon as possible, as this is a red flag or a red issue. So just click on it. Now click on support right here. Appeal something not shown. And now you have the form. So go ahead and type down your Roblox username. It is not needed when you are currently signed in. Of course, the first name is not needed. But all you got to do is just enter your email address right here. And the issue details, what device are you having a problem on? For example, you bought the specific item on your phone, PC, Mac, Chromebook, or whatever. And then the type of help category should be purchasing using Roblox. All right? Right here, or purchases using Robux. Now describe the issue right here. Just clearly write the exact name of the item or Game Pass, also its cost in Robux, and explain politely why you're requesting a review, or maybe it is an accidental purchase or an unauthorized use, and then just click on continue right here. Now all you got to do next is just wait for a response from Roblox Support, which typically takes anywhere from a few hours or 2 days. All right. So that is how you refund items in Roblox and get Robux back. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.